I am in our state's capital in Lansing at the Lansing Center. I am speaking at the Michigan Agri-Business Association, MABA. I've never been to this conference before. There's a whole bunch of huge tractors and spray tanks and farm equipment downstairs. There's a lot of people talking about fertilizers and GMOs here, and I'm going to be speaking out against GMOs. I don't know if they're going to take a hook and pull me off stage, I'm not sure. But I'm just going to speak the truth, give them my shopping list of what we at Achatz Pie Company are looking for. We need good, high quality, safe ingredients to make your pies with. I'm looking for things that are not only safe for your gut biome, but safe for the environment. So I'm going to be asking them for pastured poultry, free-range eggs, grass-fed dairy and beef. We're going to be looking for organic strawberries and rhubarbs and all manner of good stuff from Michigan here. I have not been able to find a good source of Michigan sugar because it is Michigan beet sugar, GMO, sprayed with glyphosate. So I've had to boycott the Michigan Sugar Company for about 9 years, and that video I did about how I got called out on that because I didn't even know that they had slipped in GMO sugar. I did a video on that a while ago. I'll put a link below and you can watch that one too, when Whole Foods came out and did a vendor spotlight. So embarrassing. Anyway, what I wanted to quickly tell you about today in this video is next week on Thursday, January 23rd, is National Pie Day. So you can remember that by 123 NPD. That's how we remember it at Achatz Pie Company. It's going to be a big day for us because it's a day that we can spotlight our most popular pie, the Michigan 4-berry. On National Pie Day, Thursday, January 23rd, all day long, our signature pie, our most popular pie, the Michigan 4-berry, will be only $12. You can go on our website and pre-order those pies. We don't want to run out. We want to make sure that you get yours. You can order as many as you want. Our chicken pot pies are the most popular savory pot pie that we make. We want you to try those as well, so those too will be $12. So what you can do is go to our website, start placing your order your pies, pick a location that you want to pick the pies up at, one of our 6 pie shops. And then when you go to checkout, type in coupon code NPD for National Pie Day. Coupon code NPD and everything will mark down. Your 4-berry and chicken pot pies, those will mark down to $12. They're normally $18.99, so it's a huge savings, guys. Order as many as you want. Get one for everybody at the shop, everybody in your office, and pick them up on Thursday, the 23rd, $12 Michigan 4-berry pie and chicken pot pie. All right, you guys, I hope to see you soon. Have a great time and enjoy. Bye-bye.